understand why he has to fight for his job back again. Andrew Ellison explains as 6 investigates.
I feel I was fired for doing my job.
That's how Anthony Zamora felt the first time he got fired. The second time he got fired, he didn't know what to say.
It's very degrading.
Degrading because he successfully appealed his termination the first time, only to be fired again over the same incident. It all started here back in May at the Walmart near Greenwood and SPID. Zamora was working off-duty as security for the store.
I observed a man walking with a long gear-driven chain.
A chain that was over 6 inches long, something that's against the law in Corpus Christi, particularly because a chain like that can be used as a deadly weapon.
It can be used to strangle, to choke, used as knuckles.
With that in mind, Zamora approached the man and says his only intention was to warn him and ask him to put it away. I
informed him if he did not put it away, I was going to cite him, confiscate it, and possibly arrest him. And at that point, he refused the warning and said, "You're going to have to catch me." He evaded, pushed me, shoved me to the ground, which caused me to fall.
Zamora arrested him, but the man was never charged. CCISD PD investigated the case and found that the man didn't evade arrest or assault the officer. Chief Kirby Warnicki had Zamora fired, saying the facts he asserted are not supported and in some cases refuted by the video evidence Officer Zamora provided.
We viewed this video multiple times with other law enforcement agents and members of the Nueces County District Attorney's Office. All of them told us that this officer did nothing wrong.
Zamora never got a copy of the complaint the man filed against him, something district policy says must be done before an officer is fired. And while CCISD released a copy of the complaint to us, Zamora and his attorney say they've never seen it, one of the reasons they appealed his termination to begin with.
I won the appeal. I was reinstated, and on my first day back to work, I was already suspended before I got to work. I was then terminated a second time for the same reason.
Now, Zamora has to win another appeal to get his job back. But even if he does, he says he'll never truly feel like the district has his back, something he says other officers are worried about too.
The officers are fearing that this could happen to them for any particular reason.
Andrew Ellison, 6 Investigates.
Now, Zamora has more than 20 years of law enforcement experience. A hearing for Zamora's second appeal is expected to happen this week. CCISD says it will not comment while the appeal process is still going. And coming up for you on 6